That is a drinking gourd hosta, and look how much color it adds to the autumn scenery. The huge cup-like leaves turn this crazy bright yellow, and eventually they begin to curl and get crunchy, and when it rains they get soggy, and slugs love that. So to avoid the slugs, I'm just going to go down and cut each and every one of these stems down to the ground. These are flower stems. But at this point I'm really liking how much color they add, so I'm going to wait until all the leaves fall from the trees. Well, it's been a few days, so now that we've had a couple freezes, the hostas are ready to come down. They're still bright yellow, but they aren't very pretty anymore, so I'm just gonna cut them all the way as far as I can go. You can try to pull up a leaf if it'll let you. It's a little bit like cutting juicy celery. And leaving an inch or so is fine, because this way you'll see where it is and you won't step on it. But this will die back over the winter anyway. There's a really big one. It's kind of sad to cut it away. Thick. So it's all gone, and this is what's left. About an inch or so of celery stalks. It's okay to shorten them if you want to. You probably aren't going to want to bring these inside to put in a vase because they're kind of icky. They're like dry, yes, but still mushy, and then there's mold on them, so this can go straight into your compost pile.